Hi, I'm Dawn.
I'm Kevin, and we are Nut and Adventure, Nut and Game.
And we'd like to share with you our 2023 Alliance RV Valor 43V13 toy hauler.
It carries our motorcycle, our 18-year-old, and more importantly, her 2 cats.
And it does allow me to work from the road, so come on inside and check it out. So this is kind of our living quarters, and this is our living room. This is our family get together, you know, we have a family powwow. We do have seating for 3, which we usually have a movie night, or if it's chilly, we'll sit here. We actually have a fireplace, but we have all the amenities of home right here in this little 410 square foot RV that we're pretty happy.
The key here is the TV, the fireplace, the air conditioners, and the microwave all run off of 120 volt AC, and that's where we pull the power from our Battle Born batteries.
So the kitchen, this is the best part, right? With the exception of the bed. We have a full residential kitchen. And one of the reasons why we bought this is because we wanted to go full time. And this had always been a dream of ours. So we have a full fridge, which is ran by 12 volt battery. We have a residential microwave, and as you can tell, we have all the comforts of home. We've got the blender and the ice maker, and I'm cooking a pot roast right now, and everything that we would want. We have it right here in this small little tiny space. And it has really changed our world, where we went from a huge house into this, where we're living more comfortably and we're happier. So can't beat that.
Less work.
Less work.
More travel.
But I also work from the road, so this allows me to be wherever we want to be at any given time. So this is my desk area, I work here, and thankfully for that system and Battle Born and the solar that we have, it allows me the power to do that.
And our internet connection is Starlink that's outside on the trailer. The Starlink uses a lot of power, and it's using a lot of 110, 120 power. And again, we come back to the fact that we're using our Battle Borns to power that entire system. So this is the front bays of our 43V13, and one of the reasons that we went looking for batteries for our rig is this rig is all 12 volt, except for the main TV in the living room, our microwave, and our air conditioners. So with the system from Alliance, it didn't have an inverter. We could just run all that stuff. So we needed batteries. We came across this channel called Keep Your Daydream, and Mark was all about these things called Battle Born, and I was like, what's Battle Born? So it just kind of intrigued me, and we started research, and we ended up with our Battle Born GC3s. These are 270 amp hours each, and I have 3, so that's 810 amp hours. We had Steve Lewis install our stuff in Reno, and so I also have a multi+2 inverter, which is 2 legs of 60 amp power. So when even we're running down the road, the rig thinks we're plugged into shore power. And then I have 2 huge MPPT controllers that manages the power off the roof. So we do have solar on the rig, but the solar only charges the batteries. Without the batteries, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. Our batteries are what the key to this entire process is. Without our Battle Borns, without our GC3s, game changers, imagine that. We would be unable to do exactly what we get to do. We boondock everywhere. So we really love our Battle Borns because it allows us to do the things we need to do.
So thanks for checking us out, and if you'd like to follow along on our family adventures, feel free to follow us and subscribe on YouTube. We're also on Instagram, Facebook, and even some silly stuff on TikTok. That's at Nut and Adventure, Nut and Gain, N-U-T-T-I-N instead of nothing. And our website is nutandadventure.com.
And we also have an email. What is that?
nutandadventure@gmail.com.
So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, as always, hit us up on our email, check out our socials, and join our community. Because remember, adventure lies where?
At every turn.
So come join us.